Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 76. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help, so 7, 8, 7, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 7, 7 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. I don't see any help, so 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 3, 4, 3, and 5 here. So this is our 4, 3, 5. If we look at this top row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 2, 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. And for this row, we're missing 5 and 8. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 covering here and a 6 covering here. So our 6 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here. So that makes this our 7, 8, 9. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. That 7 makes this our 5, 8, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help, so 1, 2, 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 6. Don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our 7. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 4. It looks like we can just plug in and see if this is going to work out. So if we make this our 1, that makes this our 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, and this 4 makes this our 1 and 4. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.